Hello everyone. So today's date is 9th of July 2022 and today we are going to discuss about Angular. So let's start. Angular basically a framework. It is a JavaScript framework which is written in TypeScript language. It is a framework which is used to create a single page or single page web applications. It has n number of advantages and it is basically provides a proper structured way to develop the web applications, and it also gives the way to create the web applications in a proper and maintainable manner. Now let's see, it is a framework, so why do we need frameworks? Frameworks in general basically boost the web development efficiency and functionalities. Framework does gives the proper structured data or structured features which by using which we can develop the application in a proper way. The framework basically saves a lot of time for a developer to create any web application. It gives us the n number of codes and functionalities by using which we do not basically we don't need to write the code again and again. So this is what a framework is. Now the question is, why do we need Angular only? The very simple answer to that, Angular and JavaScript gives or brings in a web app development a proper structure and functionalities for developing the application. It gives maintainability and scalability also. Now let's see how the Angular does, or what it includes. Angular, the JavaScript, first we need to understand what is a JavaScript language. JavaScript is mostly or most popularly used programming language, or it is a scripting language which is used for developing all the web applications on the browser. It is basically used by all over the world developers because it has n number of features, n number of functionalities, so that the development of any application could be very easy. Now, is that only JavaScript is there in the market? The answer is no, because there are many other number of frameworks which have a number of libraries and which does give us the way to develop the application. But if we talk about particularly Angular and JavaScript, there are not all but many number of issues which the developers will face at the time of project development. They can be addressed by the Angular. So Angular is most commonly popular and it's going popular day by day. Angular at the very first developed in the year 2009, and after that it is going to it has updated their versions into lots of versions. Currently Angular 14 version is available, which is a last update of them. Now let's see what are the different features provided by Angular. So very first feature of Angular is a DOM, Document Object Model. Document Object Model, or DOM, it basically refers an XML or HTML document as a root document, or it gives a proper division of a particular HTML pages. So any model or DOM can have the one page which includes HTML head, then it has HTML headers, body, paragraphs, and numbers of attributes there. So let's say if you have changes n number of changes in one particular web page or HTML page, so instead of updating that only updates, Angular will change or update the whole document or root of HTML. Now the second most feature of Java Angular is that it uses TypeScript language, and TypeScript is basically it gives a type of JavaScript program which can be run on any platform in a smooth manner. It can be understood by the users in a easier way, and TypeScript is has a number of features and functionalities to develop the application. Now, Angular has also come up with an exceptional testing framework, which is Jasmine testing framework. It gives a number of test cases to test the web application in an efficient and proper way. The Karma is a tool there which is used to test the application. It gives the proper gateway, proper frameworks and starter projects to test the application. Except this, there are a number of features of Angular that it gives the components, its serviceability. It also have the dependency injection. It provides dependency injection, and it also provides a data binding. Data binding basically a process in which the user can bind their data or can change their data from one HTML page to another, or he can basically manipulate the data from the one another pages. So Angular does provide the two-way data binding process. The changes in first data can reflect in UI side. On the other hand, the changes in UI side can reflect in proper model data. So this gives basically the proper connection of UI database through the model data through the controller. Instead of that, there are many features of Angular, basically code compatibility, the functionalities, and if you talk about a proper architecture of Angular, it is a fully fledged model view controller architecture, and it gives a well settled and proper way to guide the how and in what manner the proper application development or web application development should be done. So this is what a quick introduction about Angular. Thank you so much.